In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use time logs to justify your invoices, making sure your clients see exactly what they're paying for. If you've ever struggled with clients questioning your hours, or if you've wanted a better way to prove the value of your work, this video will help you solve that issue. By the end, you'll know how to use time logs to effectively justify your invoices and make the entire process smoother. So, first things first, time logs. Why are they so important? Time logs give you a detailed record of every task you've worked on, showing how much time you spent on each part of the project. This makes it easier to break down your invoice by task, which is crucial when clients want to understand what they're paying for. Now, to use time logs to justify your invoices, you need to start by tracking your time accurately. Many people just eyeball it, but that's not the way to go if you want to make a strong case. You need to have a tool that tracks your time in real time. This software we're going to use is perfect for this. It tracks your work, breaks down your hours, and stores everything in a neat report that you can pull up and send over to your client. It keeps you organized and avoids any discrepancies. One of the key benefits of using time logs for your invoices is transparency. When you send your client a detailed time log, it gives them the full picture. They can see exactly how much time was spent on each task. This not only builds trust, but it also prevents any surprises when it comes time to pay. But it's not just about keeping track of hours, it's about categorizing tasks correctly. You should group related tasks together and label them clearly in your time logs. For instance, if you're working on multiple sections of a project, label each one accordingly, whether it's research, design, writing, or any other task. This way, clients can see the breakdown of each activity and understand the value you've provided for each piece of work. Another tip is to always use descriptive notes in your time logs. Don't just log hours and minutes. Write a quick description of what you worked on. This not only helps you when reviewing your logs, but also gives your clients a better idea of what they're being charged for. The more details, the better. Clients like to see exactly what they're paying for, especially when it comes to time-based billing. Now let's talk about how to present these time logs on your invoices. When you create your invoice, attach a summary of the time log with a clear breakdown of hours per task. This doesn't just show the time spent, it also justifies why you're charging a specific rate. It's a simple way to provide the evidence behind the cost, making it easier for clients to approve without hesitation. And here's something you might not have thought about: being proactive with your time logs. Send your client updates along the way, not just at the end of the project. When you share progress with time logs as you go, it helps keep everyone on the same page and prevents surprises. Clients appreciate knowing where things stand, and it makes them more likely to trust your invoice when it comes through. A quick reminder, if you want to follow along with exactly how this is done, check out the exclusive free trial of the software we've been using in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway here is that time logs are your secret weapon when it comes to justifying invoices. They help you stay organized, build trust with your clients, and provide the transparency necessary to make sure your invoices are easily approved. To wrap it up, track your time accurately, categorize your tasks clearly, include detailed descriptions, and always present the time logs as part of your invoices. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below if you want to get started with this software. It'll help you streamline your time tracking and invoicing process so you're always on top of your game. Thanks for watching.